Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in Valorant. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, if you want to change the whole language here, all you need to do is go to Riot Client, sign in, and then at the top you will see account, profile icon, so you want to click here, and on settings. Once you are on settings and you chose not the Riot client itself but Valorant, here you can change game text language. So what you can do is go ahead and choose from these languages they offer. As you can see, there's not much, but you can go ahead and choose from any of those. And once you will choose a language, as you can see, I cannot change it because the game is running. But basically, that's what you need to do. It will change and then you will launch the game and the language will be changed. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.